Hey guys, welcome. Today our topic is what is SEO. So in this class we're going to learn what is this SEO and how this search engine works. Okay, now before we jump into the learning process of SEO, I want to ask you a question. For example, you are having your own website and you are struggling to increase traffic on your website. Now you are actively researching on the internet, or we can say on Google or YouTube, how to increase traffic on your website, and one thing in common that you are getting is improve your SEO, isn't it? So before improving our SEO, the first thing is we need to understand what is this SEO. Okay, let's understand it first. SEO stands for search engine optimization. So if I have to define it in the simple terms, I can define it like this. SEO is a process to make search engines find my website on the internet very easily, or it is the process to increase traffic on my website, or if I have to make it very clear to you, it is the process to make our website or to bring our website on the top of the search engine result page organically. If you are looking into these three definitions, the common thing that we are getting is to increase traffic on our website, either in the form of bringing it to the top of the search engine result page, or to make a search engine easily find our website on the internet. Okay, so how search engine result page looks like? So search engine result page is like whenever I just go to the search engine, I perform a search, the first page that opens after my query is known as the search engine result page. And now why we are saying it organically? Because whatever technique we are going to implement on our website to increase traffic or to increase its visibility will be completely free, means we don't have to pay any amount to the Google to show our website on the top of the search engine result page. Okay, that's why we are saying it organically. Now there are different type of search engines. Okay, like Google is there, Bing is there. So can you name how many search engines do you know? You can try. Okay, now let me tell you. Google, Yahoo, Bing, Yandex, Ask.com, AOL, Baidu, and DuckDuckGo. Now one question that might be arising in your mind, that do I need to concern about all these search engines to improve my SEO? Is it? The answer is no. Okay, why? See, which search engine do you mostly use for your searches out of all these search engines that are discussed earlier? Obviously Google. So whenever you want to know something about any topic, whenever you want to go somewhere, whenever you want to get more information about any topic, the first thing you do is just take out your mobile and open the Google and search the term. Okay, so that's how most of the people, in fact around 90% people, are doing. See, if I search on Google's market share on internet, Google covered around 88% of market share over the internet. It means out of 100 people, 88 people uses Google for their search engines. Amazing, isn't it? Okay, now so Google will be our primary focus for SEO. Now before we proceed, what we need to know how Google works. Yes, so see, whenever we perform a search on the Google, we will be presented by number of results on the Google. So how do Google gathers data about all these websites, all these results on its database? Okay, so let's just understand how Google works. Google has its automated bots, which are also known as spiders, crawlers, or bots. So what is the work of these spiders or crawlers or bots? These crawlers continuously look for the new content uploaded on the internet. Once they find the new content, they scan it and saves it to the local server or the local database of the Google. This process is known as crawling. Now after your data or after your website is being crawled, what Google do? Google looks out for this data. Google analyzes this data. For example, on which topic your content is written on, the images that you are using, the keywords in the content you are using, and many more things. After that, Google will index your data or your content in your respective category, so that if anyone searches in future related to your topic, Google will quickly show your results to that person. Okay, so the process of analyzing and placing your data in your respective category or in your respective topic is known as indexing. Okay, now what happened after indexing? Now if someone searches something on Google, what Google will do, Google gets back to its index file. Google look for the saved result under a particular topic or under a particular category. But the main thing is, at the time of deciding the rank, that which website to be placed on the top position or which website to be placed at the bottom position, Google considers more than 200 factors. Out of those 200 factors, some of them are user search intention, with what intention user is searching for, what is the location of the user, what is the search keyword of the user, whether those keywords are present in your content, whether you are using those keywords in images, and many more factors apart from that. Okay, once Google find the best fit result with the user search query, Google allot that website or that article the top position, and subsequently other websites in decreasing their ranks. Okay, now this is the process of ranking on the search engine result page. I have wondered how Google shows lakhs of results in fractions of seconds, just like this. See, if I search, so it means 1 billion results in just 0.74 seconds. How? So Google works in these 3 steps: crawling, indexing, and ranking. We have just studied about it. Now that we understand how Google works, now we'll be learning the SEO in detail, that what are the techniques or what are the things that we need to implement on our website to increase its traffic.